Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best welding gloves you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welding gloves in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Yuan Extreme Heat and Fire Resistant Gloves. The Yuan Extreme Heat and Fire Resistant Gloves are made from cowhide, chosen specifically for a thickness over 1.2 mm, for softness and for flexibility. They aren't dexterous enough for TIG, but work well for stick and MIG welding. They protect well from radiation, sparks and spatter. The thick leather has a good deal of fire resistance and provides a good physical barrier. They also work well for grinding. This welding gloves are made from specific parts of the cow, which is not only thick but also soft and flexible with extreme heat or fire resistance and puncture resistance, cut resistance and moderate oil resistance. So it can effectively improve your work efficiency. The interior of the palm is made of cotton, soft and delicate, and more comfortable to wear. The cuffs are made of denim jean material, making the gloves thicker, more stubborn and heat resistant. The gloves uses Kevlar thread, that means it more resistant to high temperatures than other heat resistant gloves and not easy to break, very suitable for high temperature work. Reinforced palm to cushion hands when working with heavy weight or sharp objects. Excellent performance in heavy duty welding, gripping hot stuff such as stove and cookware and burning coal or firewood. For details, let's watch more. Our second best welding gloves is Revco GM1611 Black Stallion MIG Welding Gloves. The Revco GM1611 Black Stallion MIG Welding Gloves are made of thick, flexible cowhide on the palms and the backs. They are 12 inches long with wide cowhide leather cuffs. Users praise the feel of these gloves, with many impressed by the cotton liner. Others mention the superior touch of the design, with more than a few using the same gloves for their TIG work. Revco Black Stallion are the top choice for professional welders and hobbyists alike. You can expect top quality and long-lasting products. These MIG welding gloves have a soft cotton lining for comfort while not adding to much bulk. They also feature a seamless index finger and reinforcement where you need it most, the palm, thumb and index finger. Revco Black Stallion GM1611 MIG welding gloves also include a proprietary drag patch on the side of the glove and rest patch for the wrist. The Revco gloves also feature Kevlar stitching on every seam for maximum durability in the high temperature, high impact environment created by the welding processes. Third pick in our list is Rapicca Leather Forge Welding Gloves. The Rapicca Leather Forge Welding Gloves are made with a full leather outer. The overall glove length is 16 inches, with a 7.5-inch sleeve length. Rapicca uses thick, soft and flexible shoulder split cowhide, making these gloves very thick yet retaining a great deal of flexibility. They are treated for heat, oil and fire resistance. Rapicca is the only brand which offer double reinforced Kevlar layer painting on both fingers, palms, elbow and backs on our welding gloves. This excellent design make Rapicca welding gloves being the most extreme heat resistant gloves on the market. Double layer Kevlar padding leather. Intermediate layer, a composite product by laminating a kind of high temperature resistant air isolated aluminum foil and a flame retardant cotton cloth. Inner layer, a 100% soft insulated cotton lining. Flame retardant thread stitching for advanced heat and cold resistance, sweat absorbent, breathable, allergy free. The 16 inches extra long glove with 7.5 inches long sleeve protect your forearms from grinding debris, welding sparks, hot coals and open flames, hot kitchenware and hot steam. Effective even in extreme environments. Recommended for stick welding, MIG welding, flux core welding, forging or other high temperature applications. Provide the most extreme heat protection. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Lincoln Electric Traditional Welding Gloves. The Lincoln Electric K2979 traditional gloves provide full leather coverage made of split shoulder cowhide. Designed for all-day comfort in the harsh professional welding environment, they're completely lined with cotton. They incorporate a straight thumb design and a reinforcing patch on the thumb to improve protection and impact resistance. Made of a high-grade leather and soft cotton liner which is designed to withstand and protect against high temperatures. The glove design features a high-grade leather exterior, Kevlar threading, leather-reinforced stress points and a fully lined interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter or sparks. The soft cotton hand liner and straight thumb design enhances comfort and fingertip sensitivity. The inside cuff is lined with a twill cotton which absorbs moisture during use. This glove model is used by professional fabricators on a daily basis. Each seam of the glove is reinforced with a piece of leather, called a welt, to prevent tears and increase durability. Each pair of gloves is manufactured to strict quality specifications to provide consistent fit and function. Last in our best welding gloves list is US Forge 400 welding gloves. This US Forge gloves are perfect for those who want to do heavy-duty work near some extreme heat but do not want to break the bank for gloves. These products are slightly shorter than 14 inches, which is smaller than most other welding gloves on the market. However, they are incredibly comfortable and do a great job of shielding against heat and plasma. For their price point, the stitching is exceptional. It takes a lot to tear them at their seams, making them extremely durable. They also possess some great flexibility while still being thick enough for safe stick and MIG welding. If you do not mind wearing a pair of gloves that are slightly shorter than average and want excellent quality without spending a small fortune, the US Forge 400s are for you.